Do you post this on your YouTube or what?
Yep, yep, 400.
Wait, you got grenades, right?
Yep.
Oh, that hostage rescue thing. I'll pull the grenade pin and hug you. Good times.
Tyler, get it.
Uh-oh.
Use that right there.
Their team, I think.
Their team. Call it!
I think I'm dry. Where are we shooting?
Uh-oh, this isn't good.
Everywhere.
Print all the covers. Oh, he's hit. Call your hit, please. Oh, there's another one there. Watch out! Moving up! Well, McKinney, this isn't good. We're just gonna have to hold out, honestly. That side out there is really... Whoa, hold on. Down and down. Okay, they're moving up really hard on the side.
I'm gonna need a knife because no ammo.
Got one, or you did.
No, I was shooting further to the right.
You ready? Oh, come on, shoot, just shoot, guys, shoot. Oh shit, I'm out of ammo. Is there a speed loader?
No.
M4 mag?
Yeah. Here.
Thank you.
There's a guy in the grass right here. Is he with us?
Yeah, he is.
No, not that.
You're so hit, come on! Ay, cheaters. Watch out, we're moving really close, guys! Oh, Jesus Christ, they're okay, they're all moving up, guys.
We're fucked.
One down.
Got hit? No!
There's a whole bunch of guys just ran behind this building. Presidential?
Okay, hold on.
Like 4 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, I see him. Call it! That's hit you so many times, please. Ah, you little bastard. Okay, get ready, here they come. They're gonna rush in here real soon. Whoa! Back. I'm real close to him.
Ow! Hit! Ow! Fuck, where'd that come from?
Did you get me? Hit!
That was a trade.
Nice job, man.
And then knuckle. Oh, come in.
Hit! Oh, man.